Hello girls, I'm your consultant dito sa Joko Aesthetic po. Ang topic natin for today is pampasikip. Sino-sino ba ang mga candidates for vaginal tightening? Okay, kung nakaranas na kayo ng multiple childbirths, vaginal looseness or decrease ng tightness, or yung iba dyan is wala ng confidence sa sarili. Ang vaginal tightening guys, ang benefits nito is mas masikip at mas maayos ang puwerta, mas mai-improve yung sensation during intimacy at mababa ang risk ng infection. Mas mataas na self-confidence at better quality of married life. So yun po, ang procedure details ng vaginal tightening guys is 30 to 45 minutes lang under local anesthesia. Minimal pain, no visible scar, at saka piniperform ito ng expert doctors. Safe and minor procedure. Mostly guys, sa vaginal tightening after surgery, babalik kayo after 7 days para sa follow-up check-up para masiguradong safe or maganda ang healing at maganda ang result. Currently guys, kapag nag-avail po kayo ng vaginal tightening dito sa Joko, may free po kayo na 1 session ng permanent hair removal at whitening. At kung isasabay nyo guys yung labiaplasty or perineal repair, may libre po kayong 3 session. Kaya kung may mga questions kayo at mga inquiry kayo dyan, mag-PM lang po kayo at bibigyan namin kayo ng direct consultation at detailed na information. Okay?